Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the phone app and permissions so the device can show blocked activity. Open your Motorola phone app, then tap the three-dot menu at top right. This gives you the controls you need. Once done, choose Settings. It's faster than reinstalling. Make sure call and contacts permissions are allowed, because without them the dialer cannot record blocked attempts. This step prevents missing entries as you move to view the actual block list. Next, you tap into block numbers or call blocking and identification to see what's been blocked and why. Look through the blocked list for saved numbers, then return to recent or call history. Some blocked attempts are labeled blocked or spam there. If you don't see entries, make sure the phone app is set as default, because alternate dialers versus the stock app can store logs differently. Also, check that caller ID and spam protection are enabled. Finally, you decide whether to unblock, call back, or keep a record. Tap any blocked entry to manage it and take screenshots to export a record. If the phone app shows no blocked call log, request carrier call records or install a trusted call log app. These keep longer histories. If something goes wrong, restart the phone, update the phone app and Android system, then recheck permissions. This often restores missing entries. One tip: carriers sometimes retain the only complete call history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.